McKinsey found that 60% of occupations could automate 30% or more of their tasks using AI tools that exist right now. Not 5 years from now, right now. The average knowledge worker could reclaim 40% of their work week just by setting up a few smart automations. If you work 40 hours a week, 16 of those hours could essentially run themselves. I'm walking you through a complete AI automation stack, 5 workflows you can set up today, most of them free. The tools, the steps, and how much time each saves. Let's go. Automation 1. Email triage and drafting. Tools, Claude or ChatGPT plus Gmail filters. Time saved, 3 to 4 hours per week. Set up Gmail filters to auto-label emails by category: client, newsletter, invoice, urgent. Then, connect Gmail to Claude or ChatGPT via Zapier or Make.com. When an email hits a label, the AI drafts a reply and saves it as a draft. You review and send. 10 seconds instead of 10 minutes. Best for anyone handling 30-plus emails a day. You're not automating the relationship. You're automating the friction. Automation 2. Content repurposing. Tools, ChatGPT plus Canva. Time saved, 5 hours per week. One piece of content can become 10 pieces. Paste a transcript or article into ChatGPT and ask it to generate Twitter threads, a LinkedIn post, Instagram captions, an email newsletter, and a short-form script. Take those into Canva, use its AI-assisted templates to build branded graphics, then download and schedule. Best for creators, marketers, coaches building an audience. Every piece of content works 5 times harder. Automation 3. Research and summarization. Tools, Perplexity AI plus Notebook LM. Time saved, 4 hours per week. Use Perplexity AI for research. It pulls from live sources and gives you a synthesized, cited answer instead of 10 open tabs. For deeper work, upload documents to Notebook LM, Google's free tool, and ask it questions about your specific files. What used to take half a day now takes 20 minutes. Automation 4. Social media scheduling. Tools, Buffer plus AI caption generation. Time saved, 2 hours per week. Once a week, use ChatGPT to batch generate captions from a simple brief. Load them into Buffer. It schedules across Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and Facebook from one dashboard. Set your schedule once, every week, generate, load, done. Buffer has a free plan. Automation 5. Invoice and admin automation. Tools, Make.com plus ChatGPT. Time saved, 2 hours per week. Make.com connects your apps. When a client submits a form, it auto-generates and sends a customized invoice. A ChatGPT module personalizes the email. If no payment arrives in 7 days, a follow-up sends automatically. Make.com is free to start. This alone can feel like hiring a part-time assistant. Now let's add it up. Email, 3 to 4 hours. Content, 5 hours. Research, 4 hours. Social media, 2 hours. Admin, 2 hours. That is 16 hours every single week. 16 hours a week is 832 hours a year. 104 full workdays reclaimed. Think about what you could build with 4 extra months. A new income stream, a side business that becomes your main business. The people doing this are not working harder. They're working differently. Automation is the biggest competitive advantage available right now, and most people haven't picked it up yet. You now know the system. If you're starting with just one automation today, drop it in the comments. Tell me which one. If this was useful, subscribe. I put out practical AI and productivity breakdowns every week. No fluff, just systems that work. The free tools list with direct links is in the description. See you in the next one.